Perfect. Perfect.
This is the set that I'm using for the costume portion. This is just a white set I ordered from Amazon, but you could really use anything that you have, like any skirt or shorts, because we're going to wrap it in the gauze. So it doesn't really matter what the part underneath it looks like, but yeah, this is what I ordered from Amazon. This is the final look. I ended up rebraiding the hair. I just added in extensions and a little more of this gauze, and then my sister helped me wrap this part around. You can definitely do it yourself, but it's a little bit easier if you have someone to help you wrap it around yourself. And I also added a brown and like gray eyeshadow, so it looks a little dirtier. I wish I had a little bit more gauze. I wanted to wrap it more around the costume, but I feel like this works pretty well. The only thing is I would definitely get one that lasts a little bit longer. This one's kind of ripping, so if you want it to last all night, I definitely recommend getting one that will stay on longer. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.